Today, we are going to unbox the all-new Illegear Ares X, a 17.3-inch top-performance workstation laptop equipped with modular CPU and GPU with large storage capacity. In the box, you will find the manual booklet, the laptop itself, two powering adapter, and an adapter enclosure allow you to combine the two powering adapter into one. The Ares X is built with anodized aluminium, providing not only premium in look but also durable in use with a weight at 3.8 kg and 43.5mm tin that able to pack a hefty performance and feature to replace your desktop. Ares X provides a good security measure with an aerial fingerprint sensor and trusted platform module aka TPM. Furthermore, it is built with N-key rollover LED per key RGB keyboard designing to provide user a better typing sensation for a workstation. For more RGB aesthetic, the Ares X also built with LED light bar at the back of the machine. Equipped together with one Thunderbolt 3 hybrid Type-C port, 2 mini DisplayPort 1.4, a HDMI output port, a LAN port, and 2 charging ports also come with two 280 WAC adapter with enclosure. One USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, one DisplayPort 1.4 over USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port at the right side. One multi-in 1 card reader, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, and two 2-in-1 audio jack at the left side. A high-performance laptop with a perfect screen are always the best match. Ares X is come with a 17.3-inch INFINIVISION narrow bezel display with up to 240Hz refresh rate and powered by Nvidia G-Sync display technology to deliver users an outstanding visual result in viewing experience. The Illegear Ares X is meant to provide the best performance. With performance up to 10th Gen Intel Core i9 interchangeable desktop processor, a modular Nvidia GeForce graphic card up to RTX 2080 Super, and support with up to 128GB of RAM and 8TB of SSD storage. This is the latest Illegear Ares X, an attainable beast to power your gaming and performance needs.